Namaskar. I'm Ganesh Zadav, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering at Kekewag Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik, Maharashtra, India. Welcomes you to the course on Power System Economics and Tariff. So let's see what we are going to study about in this course: learning outcomes, then power system economics, then about the power system tariff. So in this course, the learner will be able to, at the end of this course, the learner will be able to define power system economic and tariff, apply different depreciations method to the power system economics, justify desirable properties of tariff, differentiate between different types of tariff structure, and last is calculate the tariff using different types of tariff methods. So we know that our total system is interconnected. The generators are very near from the sources available, where the source of the natural sources are available, such as the coal or water, and load centers is far away from the generating stations. Hence, the power system is a very complex network, and due to the interconnection, it becomes a very complex network. Due to this complexity, every power sector company aims to reliable service with reasonable profit. The cost of production of electrical energy, if we want to calculate the cost of production of electrical energy, it has become a very highly complex problem as the structure is very complex. Many challenges to do the power system engineers. So power system engineers may have many challenges, such as how to calculate this cost of production of electrical energy when the total system is get interconnected, when there are the losses, when there are operational maintenance cost, when there is the land costs, interest and depreciation, and there are so many problems, and how to include this into power system economics. Several factors influence the cost of production, as I discussed: the land cost, interest, capital investment on the equipments, salaries of higher authorities as well as the operational persons, then operating and maintenance cost of the plant, and depreciation cost also. So in this course, there are two parts. One is the power system economics. In the power system economics, the following points will be considered, or following point will be discussed: introduction to the power system economics, cost of energy and its expression, then interest on capital and depreciation cost calculation of the plant. In that depreciation cost calculations, the first method is the straight line method, second method is the diminishing value method, and the third one is the sinking fund method. These three methods we are going to study for the depreciation calculations, and the numerical based on all this. Welcome to the power system. Next half part is the power system tariff. Power system tariff is nothing but how we are charging to the consumer for the consumption of electrical energy. It deals with the cost of energy to the consumers, and every power utility has aimed to return on the capital investment as well as reasonable profit. It depends on various factors such as load curve, type of consumer, magnitude of energy consumed, and demand. Hence, as such, so many factors are considered, this is again become a complex problem. In many countries, it is social issue also. Okay, so giving the energy with the low cost is also social issue in the many countries. Calculating the cost of energy is a complex problem due to the involvement of different factor influence, such as the load curve, magnitude of energy consumed, demand factor, etc. So in this power system tariff part, we are going to study the tariff and its importance, objective and desirable characteristics of tariff, types of tariff, in that uniform tariff, flat rate tariff, block rate tariff, maximum demand and power factor tariff, two-part and three-part tariff, availability based tariff, and newly introduced tariff is apparent energy, that is KVAH tariff, and numerical based on all these parts. So this is in the power system, this is in the power system tariff. So welcome to my course on power system economics and tariff. Save energy for future use.